How to reset Google Authenticator on Bybit. Step by step guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just jump into the topic. So there are multiple solutions about how you can recover or reset your Google Authenticator on Bybit. So the first solution is attempt your locate your recovery key phrase. If you manage to do so, please refer to this on how to rebind using your recovery key phrase on your new smartphone's Google Authenticator. For security reasons, Bybit will not store your account's recovery key phrase. A recovery key phrase is presented in either a QR code or a string of alphanumerics. It will only be shown once, which is at the point of binding your Google Authenticator. Refer to the screenshot below, as you can see it. And the other solution is, if you do not have a RKP, Bybit can assist you to unbind the Google Authenticator. Please follow the steps as shown below. This is the official help center of Bybit, and please log into the Bybit website, click key in your email address or mobile number, and add the account login password, then click on continue to enter the next page, as you can see like this. And after that, you have to click on having problems with verifications, as you can see. So select Google Authenticator not working option and click on confirm like this. Google Authenticator isn't working, I'd like to reset it, and you have to click on confirm and click on send verification code. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address and mobile number. Please enter the code and click on confirm like here. So if you are not able to receive the verification code by email, please refer to the troubleshooting unable to email verification code to on Bybit official website. And if you are not able to receive the verification code by SMS, please refer to the unable to receive SMS verification code troubleshooting option on the Bybit. And after that, once you enter the correct code, you have successfully turned off the Google Authenticator. Further verification may be required if there is a need. Kindly refer your account's registered email address in box for additional instructions. Please enter your account registered email address and connectable email address. If you are only registered with a mobile number, their customer support will contact you via email within 1 to 3 working days for further assistance. Once you have confirmed the submission, you will receive an automatic email with your case number. Their customer support team will contact you within 1 to 3 working days. Please only resubmit a request after 3 working days. Disable Google Authentication. We successfully received a request. Please resubmit a request after 3 working days. Okay, confirm. For users who can't receive the verification code to recover Google Authenticator code due to permanent loss of mobile number or email address, please submit a request manually via their Bybit help center, and you will receive an automatic email with your case number, and their customer support team will contact you within 1 to 3 working days. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.